Hi, are you excited to create something new from the waste material? Wow, that will be so exciting. Let's start. I have a one empty chips box and multicolored tapes. I have tapes in several colors. You can use paper instead of tape if you don't have. Cut the tapes in any design, any shape you want. Cut all the color tapes you want. You can take as many colors you want. You can also use scale in cutting the shapes. Anything you want, you can cut them. See, I have cut randomly. I am also showing the method of using the scale and a paper pencil. Cut it in any shape. So if you are a kid, you cannot cut it directly. You can use scale. I have prepared all my cuttings. Now I will peel off all the tapes and paste it on my box. If you are using paper, use glue or Fevicol to paste the papers. By pasting all the tapes, I will form the geometrical design. Try to paste the colors in contrast so that they are clearly visible. In this way, I will cover my full box. After putting all the tapes, press the tapes with the dry cloth so that it gets the fine finishing. Draw a circle, cut it and paste it on the bottom. See, like this we will cut it and place it on the bottom. It is very easy to make, even the kids can make it. This craft is good for the school project, for decoration, and it is multi-purpose. You can also put the stationery or kitchen tools in this box. Even you can decorate it with flowers. Now I am using 3D colors to pop up the shapes. You can use directly with the tube, or you can also use the brush. Even you can use brush like this to get the even shapes. Now I will cover my top portion and my base is completely. Thanks for sharing and subscribing.